Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, April 16th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. We are in the red all across the board. All cryptocurrencies had a really terrible 24 hours. Let's get right into Bitcoin, which is at $6,641, down 3.8% from yesterday. Ethereum down 4.2% at $153.22. Dash doing even worse, down 5.2% at $69.56. And Litecoin leading the pack, down 5.9%, almost 6% down in 24 hours at $39.05. Join us later today when we cover the top news articles written in the last 24 hours to find out why we're seeing such negative movement all across the board. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.